how to make a 2x2 piston door in Minecraft. So first we're gonna make a cross figure type of structure right here on the floor. We simply do this. So that's 6 blocks in total and 6 blocks deeper again. Then just create or destroy 2 blocks right here. 2 blocks again, just destroy 1 at the end. Same with this one. So 2 blocks, and 1. Now once that's done, you just simply need to fill all of these up with redstone. Oops. Just fill all of these up. Just like that, should be looking like that. Just like that. Now next is just put or get a redstone torch and put one right here at the block. And put another one at the end right here. Then just get a random block that you want and put it on top of the redstone torch. So just hold on shift, then right click on it. Same with this one, shift, right click. So that's just like that. Now put some redstone dust on the top of the block. And you simply need to fill this up with any block that you want, just to cover it. Now yours should be looking like this. Now just get your sticky piston and just put it right there. Also put one at the top. Now what we need to do now is just simply put any block that you want. So I'm just going to use this block. And just simply put pressure plate right here. And once I go right here, as you can see, it now works. That's how I basically make a 2x2 piston door in Minecraft.